Ready for impossibly smooth, hydrated skin? Discover the COSRX Snail Mucin Repairing Serum, your secret weapon against dullness and fine lines. This isn't just any serum. It's powered by an incredible 96.3% snail secretion filtrate, delivering unparalleled moisture and repair. Experience the magic of Mucin as it instantly soothes and deeply hydrates, leaving your skin plump and revitalized. Forget heavy, sticky textures. This lightweight essence absorbs in seconds, giving you a healthy, natural glow that lasts all day. And the best part? Our snail mucin is ethically and sustainably sourced, so you can feel good about your purchase. If you're looking for an effective, gentle, and transformative Korean skincare product, your search ends here. Don't miss out on the best hydration for your skin in 2025. Click the Amazon link below to get yours and start your skin transformation today. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it.